Since I'm out gardening, I figure I'll show you my pepper plant and all the peppers on it. Look at this beauty. And my green onions. Got a ton of sweet potatoes, as you can tell, in the garden. Some more pretties growing. This is my pineapple plant. We're coming out into the garden to water. As you see, my pepper plants, they need water. Lots of heat of pepper plants. Figure I'd bring you along. And yes, I need a weed. God is so good. Alright, I have got to thin out my parsley. So that's what we're going to do today. Figure I'd bring you along. Don't know that I can really do this. Really can't see what I'm doing. It is so bright out here. But we will see what we can do. One-handed at that. I got the curly leaf, and then I got the other, broadleaf or whatever it's called, and everything. But I like it fresh, and I like to dehydrate some, so I can have some during the off season. Don't want to lose this. But this is going to be kind of harder than I thought. So when I get it thinned out, I'll take you to the next step. Guys, done thinning out the parsley. Looks a lot better, as you can tell. Alright, we're going to get it in the house, and I'll be right back. Alright, we're back in here in the kitchen. We're getting ready to wash the parsley to put it on the dehydrator. I'm going to keep some out in the refrigerator for fresh parsley. While I was outside, I had to pick some tomatoes, peppers that was ready to be picked. Got them washed and everything. So now we're going to get these washed and go through. You see some bad ones I got to pick out. And I'm going to do that now. And then I'll get back with you. Rinsing the parsley under the water. Just wanted to take you along real quick and show you. This is just like washing greens, really. Alright, parsley has been washed, dried, de-stemmed, as you can tell right here. Taking off the stems and put on the dehydrator. There's 5 trays of them. So now I'm going to put the lid on. I've already got my dehydrator started. Got it on 122 degrees Fahrenheit. This will go until these dry, which will probably be about 6 hours, maybe not that much. And then I'll crumble them up, put them in a mason jar, and they'll be done. This is good seasoning, good fresh seasoning, or dried seasoning that you can put on. I love doing this with a lot of my herbs and everything. Here's some of my parsley in the past I've done. I love cooking with my own herbs from the garden. Oh, it's backwards. But this is stuff that you can do as well. You have a great day. I'll also let you know that you can do like lemon or citrus zest. You can take the peeling and take the white part, the pith, out. Get rid of it. And take the peeling. Make sure you wash it really good. And break it up and dehydrate it. And crumble it. And put on like your steaks or chicken. This is some of the best seasoning for your meats. It tastes so good. I figured I'd bring that along as well. Have a great day, everybody. And get to dehydrating your seasonings, your herbs. your spices. It's awesome. Have a great day, y'all.